In this video, you will learn the correct method for cup placement and preparing the corset lining. The lining has been pressed just like the shell and is ready for the next steps. If you want to see professional pressing techniques, watch our previous video. It's necessary to give structure to the neckline edge. Let's do it. Use a 2 centimeter wide horsehair braid and prepare it like this to attach to the neckline edge. Pin one end of the braid to the ironing board, then press it while stretching slightly. This will narrow and shape the braid, making it ready to sew onto the neckline edge. The braid is ready. This braid will be sewn onto the edge of the corset lining to provide support. Apply adhesive to the edge of the braid to prevent fraying. Pin the braid along the neckline edge from center front to center back, then sew it in place. Both edges of the braid should be sewn. Sew both edges from center front to center back, just like you see here. Apply a small piece of interfacing here to reinforce the braid edge and prevent fraying. This prevents the braid edge from fraying and makes it completely secure. For cup placement, set the lining on the pressing ham and position the cup exactly the way you see here. Pin the center of the cup to make sure it stays fully fixed to the lining. Then pin all around the cup. Make sure no puckering is created on the lining. Sew the cup exactly along its edge onto the lining. If you follow all the steps carefully, there will be no puckering and the cup will sit perfectly in place. In the end, the cup is sewn in place correctly and without any wrinkles. The neckline is stabilized and the lining is ready. The lining is fully finished and the outer layer is ready as well. In the next video, you will learn how to bind the edges and complete the final steps.